1, 2, 3 years, guys. Yes, guys. This is Ansumana Explore. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, tell a friend to tell a friend. This is your first time on this channel because this is how we do things here. No more, no less, but we just present it to you people the way it is and how everything flows. So, I guess this is morning time. Yes, we're in the morning time, but we have some few activities going on. You know what I mean? We got some snow that came last night on Sunday, and it has been falling since this morning, but the snow has stopped a little bit, so we're gonna see what we gotta do. So my good people, as I said before we get into what really we want to talk about, I want us to people to know who Ansumana is and what Ansumana Explore is all about. So my name is Ansumana. If this is your first time, then check me out on Ansumana Smart Farm, and also check me out on Ansumana Explore. But as I said, my name is Ansumana, and this is Ansumana Explore. Here we talk about more of exploration, things that we are exploring outside, things we are exploring inside. You know what I mean? Whatever we can do to make sure we bring this content to you people, we try to do our best to make sure we bring it to you people. So Ansumana explore food, driving, farming, content, what again, cities, cultures, whatever is worth exploring, I do. As long as I have the opportunity to visit a place or to get to go to a location, of course, I'll bring it to you people so you see how other people are doing. That's why most of the time you see me talking about culture, because if you see how people do things somewhere, probably, you know what I mean, you might want to change and adjust some few things and see how you can be in line with what other people are doing. So you all move together. And at the end of the day, you know what I mean, you go do your own shit that you want to do. So, my good people, as I said, don't forget, remember to subscribe to Ansumana Explore, because here it's all about supporting one another. It's all about, you know what I mean, patting everybody's back. I pat your back, you pat the next man's back, you pat the next man's back. It's all about support. I always say YouTube is a street. It's a free street. You know what I mean? You're not paying for YouTube. I'm not paying for YouTube. They never asked me to pay money for YouTube. You know what I mean? But it is what it is. We all there. We hustling. We do what we gotta do. Some of us doing it as fun. Some people are taking it to be like a job. Some people are like, you know what I mean? But it is what it is. It's up to how you want to move with it and how you want to align yourself with YouTube. So my good people, as I said, we explore different things here. We explore farming. We explore many things. Driving. Most of the time I'm in my car driving and get to show you places, street, how it looks like. You know what I mean? Because there are some people who are in Arizona. There are people who are in New Jersey. There are people in Philadelphia, New Hampshire, South Carolina, North Carolina, North Dakota, South Dakota. You know what I mean? All these people, Ohio, Kentucky, you know, all these people are there. Georgia, Virginia, Atlanta, all these people are there. They're doing that. That's what I always say, like, is we here in Philly. Not everybody's been able to travel to come to Philly. I also explore traveling. Guys, yes, check me out on Ansumana Explore. You might see some of the things I'm talking about traveling. You might see me, you know what I mean, doing some few traveling. But it is what it is. As I said, we have to make sure we give you this content, guys. The place is cold. I don't want to talk too much. And also, as I said before, I move further into the activity which I'm here to do and show you people. This is just an intro, yes, to show you what we're here to do. So that's why I'm giving you this few, you know what I mean, vibes around the corner. So my good people, don't forget, check me out on Ansumana Smart Farm. I'm a farmer. I do farming in Kenya. Yes, I've been in Kenya 2 times. Yeah, it's a nice place, good place, great place to do business. You want to be a farmer, you know what I mean, you want to collaborate with me, you from the States, wherever you are, you know what I mean, I keep it real. The good thing is I've seen the bad side of what happens in the village, so I now understand and how things flow there. So when you come in here, I'm kind of like, I would say, like a sacrificial lamb. Yes, I'm kind of like a sacrificial lamb. So basically, I know what goes on because they don't need to me. So I've learned a lot from it. So you coming on board, basically it's like you're in a safe zone. Yeah, I guarantee you are in a safe zone, because at the end of the day, it's about you putting your money and getting your money back with some interest at the top of it. Yes, my good people. So as I'm saying, this is Ansumana Explore, and this is Ansumana. Check me out on Ansumana Smart Farm. I do farming activities there. Legitly, from all joke aside, I'm a farmer. I'm a serious farmer. Yes, I do poultry farming, and I also do what maize farming. Yes, because for you to be a chicken farmer, you should be able to, at least, if you have the opportunity of planting your own maize, which is economically helps you in saving costs in your fields, I implore you do it. If it doesn't, because everything I always said people is looking at the two sides of the coin, which one is more better for you efficiently and which one is more prudently good for you. So my good people, as I said, check me out on Ansumana Smart Farm. We're working on some few things behind the scene. Now there's rainy season, we started digging the water well, and you know what I mean. So it is what it is, but those are the hiccups we go through. We're going to be talking about them, the hiccups that we're going through on the farm. But as I said, I'm a content creator, I'm a farmer, and also I'm a traveler. I love traveling. Yes, whenever I'm traveling, I use those opportunities to get to show, you know what I mean, to people, so people can see. Yes, people can see. Whenever I'm traveling to Kenya, when I was at the Heathrow airport, I did a live there, so people get to see, because not everybody has opportunity to go to this place. But when you get to see it in a video, or you get to see it in a movie, or you get to see it in a theater, wherever you can see it on YouTube platform, on Facebook, it brings you closer to these places. Even though you've not been there, but for the mere fact you have that vision in your mind, or you have that, how can I call it? Yes, you have that, yeah, you have that, I'm not going to say vision, you have that, what word can I use, in fact? Sometimes you are able to describe it in an abstract form, but the memory is still in your head about that place. When you get there, you know, hey, oh, this is the place. Oh, yeah, I watched it in that movie. It was in that YouTube. You know what I mean? So basically, so these are the things we're talking about. But as I said, we have to get into what really we want to get into, which is cleaning of snow around my premises, which I'm going to show you. I'm going to be doing some shoveling of snow. Yes, I am going to be doing some snow shoveling. Yes, that's what I'm going to be doing. So I just want to show you what's happening. I have some snow on my car, and I'm going to clean it up. I'm not working today, really, because of one or two, you know what I mean, few things. So, but again, it is what it is. My good people, we gotta move on. There's nothing there. So I'm gonna show you what's happening with this snow. We're gonna clean this snow. It's my parking lot where I did park my car. There's not gonna be snow there because where the car is parked, the snow fall on the car. Then I'm just gonna clean it up and then move some. For now, it is in what it is, the shape or the form in which it is. I think it will be good enough for me. I did start it, but I want to make sure I made this intro video so you people know. So follow me with this journey as we gonna be cleaning the snow, guys. We cleaning snow. Today is snow day. Let me show you guys before. Yes, let me show you guys. So this was happening. You see, I got some snow here. Yes, and we got a lot of snows. If you can see all the way there, yeah, there's snow all the way there. And I also have snow here. Yeah, so I have to make sure I clean this snow somehow. It's not my parking spot, somebody's parking spot. But I want to see if I can help somehow. Oh man, I want to fall down, guys. Yes. So this is snow. So we also have snow all the way there. But I'm not going that spot, you know what I mean? I just want to make sure my way is clear so I'll be able to move my car when I'm going out. Yes, guys. So let me show you what's happening. You see? We got snow here all the way down there. I'm not worried about down there, you know what I mean. At least I'm able to move myself from this point from here. That car can't really move because of the type of car I have. It's a little bit high. It's not like those low cars. Like for example, this one, you see, park is low, so it's difficult for you to drive it. But for mine, like this one, it's not, you know what I mean, it's high. So, and the tires there are good. Yes, my people, hit the like button, guys. So I'm gonna be doing some snow shoveling. Let me see on this side what's happening there. Yeah, we got some snow on the tire too, guys. But anyways, yeah. So let me see where I can put this camera and we get moving, guys. Yes, I wanna see if I can put it this way. Let's see. So it is what it is, you know what I mean. I don't understand. So this is just what we're using. Yes, guys. So what we're doing here ourselves, we're gonna be cleaning this snow a little bit. So you're gonna see me doing some 1 or 2, 3 cleaning. Yes, I'm gonna be doing 1 or 2, 3 cleaning. I don't have a cameraman, so I'm putting the camera on the floor. Make sure I shovel some snow all the way down there. Okay guys, so let me see. I'm gonna move this camera a little bit. Sorry for the I'm gonna put it on the snow.